Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crochet open jacket designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding women crochet open jacket designs, beautiful designing ideas. Collared neck designs, beautiful sleeve designs, stylish designing ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. Different shapes, open jackets, round jackets, triangle. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. You can see in this my video. Beautiful top 50 designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful jackets in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Casual use or office wear, you can wear these very beautiful open jackets. Easy patterns, knitted patterns, you can easily make these very beautiful jackets if you know crochet work. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet open jackets, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful jackets online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy women crochet jackets, stylish long and short jacket designs. Top designer ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet open jackets? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.